Hey, it's Acoustic Paint.
And Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we are going to be doing a big Hobby Lobby haul.
So if you've seen our past Hobby Lobby haul videos, click the card to check out the playlist. We usually don't get a ton of stuff, usually it's like 3 or 4 things, but today Kath and I each got about 3 or 4 things and we thought we'd share them with you. So,
and then something extra surprise that we'll show you at the end of the video. Just starting off with what I got a oil paints basically from Master Touch. And I've never used oil paints before, so I'm super excited to try this out with some of the other supplies I got too. And next, still relating kind of to oil paints, this whole haul was basically for one video I really want to make for you guys, so I'll explain that after I show you all I got. So again, from Master Touch, they're having a really good like half off thing, so that's why this is all basically Master Touch. They are just palette knives, and they're metal, and I think they're stainless. Yeah, stainless steel, I guess. Yeah, with this little thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm not using brushes because I didn't get anything to wash off brushes because oil paint sticks to everything. So then I just got some, is this a 5-pack? I didn't even look. A 5-pack of canvas board. I usually don't use canvas board. This is usually what Elizabeth uses. I prefer stretched canvas, but for palette knives, and in my last video, I don't know which one's going up before, but I really like using palette knives, so I thought this would be better for it. And then lastly, I got a clear painter's palette. I thought this reminded me a lot of Bob Ross's. So I decided, with my oil paints and everything, I'm going to be doing, trying to do a tutorial from Bob Ross painting. I'm super excited for that, and I hope you guys look forward to that video.
the first thing I got is this 12 set of gouache paint. Gouache paint is kind of like a mix of acrylic and watercolor, and it's something I've really wanted to try out, so be sure to keep on the lookout for videos featuring the gouache. Next, I got some matte finish Mod Podge. It's kind of a sealant, and I'm going to be covering one of my sketchbooks with book pages, and I want to seal it with Mod Podge, so that'll be fun. Craft brushes, they're just foam brushes. And yeah, now onto the grand finale.
And I never buy this kind of stuff, and I thought it was cute because it looks like Valentine's Day, and I never really do anything for Valentine's Day. We are gonna bake a cake though, because we feel like it. But
Ooh, should we make that a video?
oh, that'd be fun.
Comment down below, or like just tell us if you want us to show you how we're baking our cake.
Yeah. But yeah, so I got this just because it's super cute, super soft. I'm not sure.
You got it because we're going on a flight in a couple months.
Yes, we are going on so many travel trips this summer and this spring. It should be so much fun, and I just wanted a nice pillow.
So that is all for our Hobby Lobby haul video.
Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Hit the notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video.
And share it.
I'm so glad you took that cue.
You're always so shocked when I say share it.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.
Bye.
That was a really good outro.
It was.
High five.
I loved it.